Hello and welcome back to my channel, and thank you for joining me as we continue the celebration of Black History Month. So for this tutorial, I'm doing a Continent of Africa string art craft. This project is pretty simple. All it really requires is wood, a wood platform, a shape of the continent of Africa that you can print out from your computer, nails, and a hammer, as well as string and tape. I will say the one thing I discovered when making this project is that the wooden frame that I got from Michaels is really thin. So I noticed that when I was hammering the nails in, they did go through the back of the frame. So I'm suggesting that if you decide to do this project of yourself, do not go with this frame. Find yourself a thicker piece of wood, and you can probably go to any of your local hardware store to get a thicker wood for this nail project. However, if you do choose to use this frame, because it is affordable, you may want to consider putting some type of felt on the back of the frame so that way you don't scratch up your walls. And because the nails have a tendency to go through the wood, this is why I put down a paper towel between the frame and my mat, because I didn't want to get holes or nail holes in my crafting mat. I will also suggest that if you do this project, make sure that you get steel or very hard nails, because nails that are wire will bend, and you want to make sure that the nails are as stiff as possible so that way it maintains its shape when you are using your string to create your shape. So now that I have used the nails to hammer out the shape of the continent of Africa, I'm just going to remove the paper background from behind the nails, and then I'm going to use my string, and I'm going to tie a knot on one of the nails and then start weaving the string back and forth between the nails until the string looks thick enough to my satisfaction. Now here is a section option for this craft, and similar as the first is that you use the shape of the continent of Africa to hammer out on the wood, but as you can see I use nails to go around the perimeter of the frame. As you can see, I'm using the string to go around the perimeter of the continent of Africa, and I'm going to use the string in the corner and start weaving around the outside of the shape.